uploaded the vlog, and now I am come here to HSR with my friend. Let me show you the very famous Litti Chokha all over Bangalore. If you don't know, have to come to HSR High Street, and here you will find a very small shop but with huge crowd. Look at the crowd, guys. And here also. This is the High Street. We are going to try few things. जूस पीना है क्या?
वो आइस का लिख के देंगे
यार बिरयानी भी मिल रहा है इधर.
हम देख के आते हैं क्या क्या लास्ट टाइम जब हमने मोमोज खाया था
यार वो अच्छा लग रहा है. Should we try shawarma?
एक ही ला सकते मतलब एक खा सकते
Then we have this Bangar Pet chaats.
आगे जाके आते हैं
Look at the crowd here. Going to this Bewkuf showroom. I didn't know that it is there in the. हाँ मैं अपने भाई के लिए लेती हूँ. Generally.
ऊपर होगा
Joggers. We have come to this HSR Tea and Bites. It's absolutely heaven, guys. We just tried the stress leches. Tasted so amazing, so amazing. They have so many options here. So if you're in HSR, you can definitely try out Tea and Bites. We have kunafa here also. Roadside kunafa. Oh my God. भीड़ देखो बढ़ता ही जा रहा है भीड़. Look at the crowd. This is HSR, guys. We have come to the Gabrudi shop, having chap, and this side is the other shop which is for pancake and waffles. There is my friend on her phone. There's so many crowd here. Here is our order. I think guys I'm first time trying this. Oh मैं first time try कर रही हूँ. कैसा है? It's too good. Let me try this. This is from the Gabrudi shop. We are having cold coffee. Just made the dalgona. Nice business idea, guys. Thank you. Got our coffee. ये पकड़ो. बहुत ही ठंडा है ये. She has cold. Tell me how is it? मस्त है.
बढ़िया
कल और भी ठंडे हो लगने वाली है.
चलेगा
Is going to figure out the cause of it.
In IT sector, you see that even after our working hours, we are expected to work. Even if you are working for 9 hours, 10 hours, or even 11 hours. Even after that, our CEO, our company expects us to be available on phone, and whenever they call, we have to do the work right then. Because they say that you have the laptop, you have to work right now.
Right.
And there is no overtime compensation in our sector. We are not paid for working overtime. And other than this, even after working so many long hours without any extra pay, the government is trying to increase the working hours in the sector as if we don't have a right to live. We don't have a right to personal time. And then you see the statements of these people like L&D CEO and all saying that why would you spend time looking at your wife? So he's saying that
A
he
very
can
big statement coming from a chairman.
Exactly.
Yes.
He's saying that he can dictate our personal life. That looking at your wife, looking at your kids, that's not your right. That's the right of rich people. You come and work. And we are responsible for the underdevelopment of country apparently. Like these people who are rich, who are taking the profits from our work, they are not responsible for
And the salary difference between our salary, the difference in percentage, it's like huge.
There are statistics that in IT sector, more than 55% people are suffering from physical health impacts, and more than 45% people are suffering mental health issues, anxiety, depression, insomnia.
Exactly. There is no work-life balance at all.
These are the figures right now. Part of this healthy work-life balance campaign, KIT, we are a union of IT employees. We have organized a mass gathering on March 9th in Freedom Park, and we are doing this campaign to make people aware of the condition in the IT sector and what we can do to stop this. You can visit our social medias. KITU HQ is our handle everywhere. You can just search and you will find.
I just made this spaghetti. It's very simple. Little bit of garlic, ginger, olive oil, little bit of onion, chili flake, oregano and pizza mix, and milk, as well as some mozzarella. I've also added some paneer, crushed paneer. Here are some left. I think that will be used for tomorrow morning, probably for breakfast, because I have to go to office. It looks so yummy. This is the dinner for the day. Made this nice setup with candle and my dinner. I'm going to watch something. Plus, I'm feeling like doing some meditation, so I'll do that. And that is how I'm going to wrap up my day. It's been a very tough day today doing things. I had a lot of work to do, so this is kind of unwinding the day. outfit. This is my getup. My friend is here and we are going out. Right now it's going to be 10, but we are going to a club. How is my makeup? I am loving it. The background is looking beautiful. 10:15 p.m. Just woke up. I'm going to Chennai. I have reached Chennai. It's 7 a.m. Look at the sunrise here. She is learning Hindi. Say something in Hindi, Jeremy. तुम कैसे हो? You answer. For elder, it's आप कैसे हो? For people of your age, you'll say तुम कैसे हो?
What to say?
आप कैसे हो?
आप कैसे?
हाँ. What you answer?
मैं ठीक हूँ.
ठीक हूँ means I am fine. If you say that I am good, then मैं अच्छी हूँ.
मैं अच्छी हूँ.
मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ.
मैं बहुत अच्छी हूँ. Because I'm the bride.
She is getting engaged. This is her braid. Looks pretty with the nest on. But close your eyes. Your eyes makeup is beautiful. Show you guys the final look. This is me. I am done. I am half ready. This is how it is. Very much similar to my dress. This is my makeup. She is the bride. She's taking her picture.
Okay, na super.
You take.
Okay na.
Okay, let me take.
Okay.
Hello. Bride here.
போயிட்டு இருக்கோம்.
Pretty bride.
ரெண்டாவது இல்ல நான் கொஞ்சம் சந்தோஷமா இருக்கும் சரிங்க மகிழ்ச்சியா இரண்டாவது விஷயம்
It's another Friday after I came back from Chennai and I had taken a first half leave because I needed some rest and I had some work so I couldn't have office during the first hour. But today is February 14th and today is Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day, you guys. I hope you're celebrating your Valentines with your loved ones. It could be siblings, friends, families, parents, anybody. By the way, I am celebrating my Valentine's Day by working, cleaning the house. I just made food. It's already 4 p.m. I'm going to have my lunch right now. I know it's late. Planning to go to gym in the evening. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday I couldn't get. I think Tuesday I went to the gym. I couldn't go on Wednesday and Thursday and today is Friday so I have to go to the gym today. Let me show you what I made for lunch and at the same time I just want to come here and say that thank you so much for showing so much love on the last video, a day in my life as a data analyst living in Bangalore, because it just gave me instant motivation to just pick up the camera right now, shoot something. During the office days I couldn't shoot anything, but I will make sure that I capture few moments here and there during the office days too. But thank you so much and I hope you continue to watch the videos. If you're new here, I am Smriti. I am a data analyst living in Bangalore from past more than 10 years now. Already 10 years down the line, how my life is going here in Bangalore, how I am living by myself, sharing my living alone diaries with you. Thank you so much for being here. So many new people have come and new faces. I would love to connect with you guys. So comment down below where are you from and where are you seeing this video. I made again saute veggies. This is red, yellow, green capsicum, onion, paneer, corn, and again I have made the same thing. All the mess, quinoa. I'm just going to add the saute veggies and going to have that. This is going to be my lunch. My house is a mess. I cannot show you the background of it, but I I am so excited, guys. I've just got the motivation. I have not been regular on YouTube, but seeing all of this, and I want to give a special shout out to Vimal. Thank you so much, Vimal, for supporting this. I have received your message. I'm going to attach his message here, what he has sent, and like commenting on so many videos, for being my #1 fan. I couldn't even think of all of that. So thank you so much, Vimal, for supporting. And there are so many people now I know names like Manik. Yeah, these two names which are coming currently in my mind, but thank you so much, guys, for boosting my confidence, motivating me to pick up the camera and make video and edit the videos every single weekend. I cannot be more grateful than that. This Friday is going to be a little rewarding for myself. I have been working so hard since last weekend. My life has been so happening, and I'm so grateful that all these things are happening, but at the same time I just want to give some rest to me. Let's go have lunch. I'll watch something on Netflix and I'll catch you up again with you guys here. Got my laptop and my lunch. This is how it looks like. A close up because it looks yummy. Behind is my laundry which I need to fold. I had washed it and now I'm going to watch something on Netflix and eat my lunch. What should I watch? There is a new series which has come, The Trauma Code. Let's see how it is. Going to watch that. By the way, the few series which I love is Suits. I used to watch Suits. Like, I have watched it second time. The Night Agent. Friends, of course. I'm going to watch Trauma Code. Let's see how it is. And have my lunch.